Hi everyone, my name is Sophie Morris and I am a junior natural resources management and wildlife biology major here at Texas Tech. I work in Dr. Clint Bowles' lab as a member of the U.S. Geological Survey's Cooperative Fish and Wildlife Research Unit. There are 40 cooperative research units in the United States, and the Texas unit is stationed right here at Texas Tech. I am studying the distribution and abundance of cormorants in Texas, and due to the fact that I'm conducting wildlife research, a lot of my data and the data of the graduate students in the lab is collected out in the field at prospective study sites instead of a traditional lab setting. My study site is in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, where I will be conducting surveys to assess the number of cormorants at fisheries stocked and unstocked lakes. This lab tour will walk you through our building on campus and the facilities that we have. So this is the Fisheries and Wildlife Research Building. This is where the Cooperative Research Unit's graduate student office has a lot of resources in there. To put this building in perspective, it is right down the street from the sub and the library, and right across the street from the Plant and Soil Science building. This is our office space. This is where a lot of the graduate students come to do their work on their research, do analysis, start writing their thesis and proposals, schoolwork. It's also a really good spot for them to be able to store extra gear that they have, do literature review, get ready for presentations, anything they might need to do to be successful in being a graduate student in this field, they get to do here. This is my very little office space. It just has some extra gear and a laptop used for different data collection and compilation aspects of my research project that I get to do. Yep, it's just a good place for storage and to get some work done. This is more storage for obviously larger scale items. These are big fisheries research tanks. A lot of the stuff in this room is fisheries related. In the co-op unit, there is both a wildlife and a fisheries research leader. And so this is a majority of where they store the bigger fisheries research gear is in this room. As you can see, this is more of a traditional lab setting that we have in this building. If your study component has some more biological or chemical aspects to it, you'll come in here and you'll get to use this room and these resources to conduct your research. I personally, the first time I've been here was when I recorded this video. This is the conference room, the lecture hall. This is where lab meetings take place and where presentations are practiced for different meetings and things that they're going to go and need research to be presented. Down this hall is the computer lab, which just is a room with computers in it, and then the postdoc office, which is just a little bit more office space. And then down this way, it just has some research posters from different research that's been conducted and presented through the co-op unit. And then this door goes into that conference room that we just showed.